Yeah, welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to find your Facebook ID on any apps or website. So let's dive in. This is our Facebook. The first thing you're going to do is click on your profile menu button, and the next thing is you click on settings and privacy. Then click on settings. Then you scroll down here and go and find your permission, and this is it. Permission. Okay, this is it. This is a permission here. So click on apps and website, and the next thing you're going to do is now you can now check any ID, your Facebook ID on any of these apps. Now let me check for this TikTok. So now you can see you're going to find my Facebook ID, and this is it. This is my Facebook ID. If you want to use it, you can just copy it, and you have copied it here. You can see. So guys, if you found this video helpful, click the like button, share, subscribe, and comment for more. Thank you guys for watching.